All Parties Hurriyat Conference has described the ongoing eviction and demolition campaign as part of the sinister agenda to dislodge people from their own lands and called for an immediate halt to the practice. Senior APHC leader Mirwaiz Umar Farooq in a statement in Srinagar said the eviction and demolition drive being carried out by the authorities is causing deep anguish and distress among the people, seriously impacting their life and livelihood. 15-year-old boy was injured in a landmine blast in Poonch district. The victim, Mohammad Shoaib, was injured when he was grazing his cattle near Kasbah village of the district. A detained civilian was killed in police custody in Kathua district. The deceased, identified as Sonu Kumar 42, was tortured to death in police custody. The family member said it was a custodial death as the deceased was physically fit when they met him sometime prior to his death. Jammu and Kashmir Insaf Party chairman and senior APHC leader Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar has said that the Kashmiris living in the occupied Kashmir, Azad Kashmir, Pakistan and across the globe will renew their pledge on martyrdom anniversaries of Muhammad Maqbool Butt and Muhammad Afzal Guru to carry forward the mission of the martyrs to its logical conclusion against all odds. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that Kashmiri people are heavily indebted to the great sacrifices rendered by Muhammad Maqbool Butt, Muhammad Afzal Guru and thousands of other martyrs for their freedom cause. People's Democratic Party today staged a protest march in Srinagar against land eviction and demolition drives initiated by the authorities in occupied Kashmir. They were carrying placards in their hands, reading slogans like Kashmir for Kashmiris, Stop ruling Jammu and Kashmir like a colony, Landless, jobless and homeless, Stop bulldozing our homes. Vice President of Jammu and Kashmir National Conference Umar Abdullah has said that there is widespread fear due to the lawless eviction drives across the territory. Umar Abdullah, addressing a press conference in Srinagar, said the eviction drives launched in the nook and corner of the Kashmir have created panic among the people. Congress Kashmir chapter staged a strong protest demonstration at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi against the eviction campaign carried out by the local setup directly run by New Delhi in the occupied Kashmir. Scores of party leaders and workers assembled at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi and raised slogans against the eviction of the local people from their lands and properties. Protest demonstrations were held in Srinagar and other parts of the territory against the ongoing eviction campaign and other anti-Kashmir policies being advanced by the occupation regime. Protests were held in Srinagar, Handwara, Islamabad, Shopian, Banihal, Poonch, Jammu and other areas of the district.